Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Todoist for goal setting and review, your complete guide for 2025. First up, you need to set up your Todoist account. Head over to Todoist.com, click on Sign Up, and follow the prompts. Why is this important? Well, without an account, you can't start organizing your goals. Now that we've done that, let's get to the exciting part, setting your goals. In the Todoist interface, click on Add Project. This is where you'll store all tasks related to a specific goal. Name your project after your goal for easy tracking. The reason we do this is to keep our goal-related tasks in one place, making it easier to monitor our progress. Next up, start adding tasks related to your goal. Click Add Task under your project. Write a brief description of the task and set a due date. This helps us because it breaks down our goal into actionable steps, providing us with a clear roadmap to success. Here's where it gets interesting. Todoist allows you to prioritize your tasks. Just click on Priority and choose between P1, P2, P3, or P4, with P1 being the highest. This is an excellent feature because it ensures we focus on the most critical tasks first. Let me explain why this matters. By prioritizing, you ensure that you're always working on the most important tasks related to your goal, increasing your chances of success. But how do we monitor our progress? That's where reviews come in. Regularly, go through your project, reviewing completed tasks and adjusting due dates as necessary. This is what happens behind the scenes. You're actively managing and adjusting your path to your goal, ensuring you stay on track. Lastly, utilize Todoist's Productivity View feature. It provides insights into your progress, helping you see how well you're doing and what needs improvement. This helps us because it gives us a visual representation of our progress, keeping us motivated and focused. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we've learned how to use Todoist for goal setting and review. Remember, the key is in regular review and adjustment. Keep at it, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in our next video.